In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your TikTok business information. Whether you're looking to update your username, name, bio, or any other details on TikTok for your business account, you've come to the right place. These changes can help you better align with your brand or adjust your public image as your business evolves. So let's dive right in and make sure your TikTok profile reflects your current business status accurately. First things first, to start the process, you'll need to log into your TikTok account. Navigate to the TikTok login page. Once you're there, the most straightforward way to log in for most people is to use the Continue with Google option. This allows for a quick and seamless sign-in experience, especially if your TikTok account is linked to your Google account. Click on the option to proceed. After clicking Continue with Google, you'll then need to select the Google account you want to use. Make sure to choose the same account associated with your TikTok profile. Google will present you with a list of accounts currently logged in or provide you the option to add a new account if the right one isn't listed. Select the correct account to keep moving forward. Once you've selected your account, Google will ask you to confirm your choice by clicking on Continue. This step authorizes TikTok to access your Google account information, a standard procedure for quick logins. Click Continue to affirm your choice and move on to the next step. After logging in successfully, you'll be redirected back to the TikTok homepage, but this time as a logged in user. Here comes the fun part, tweaking your business profile. On the TikTok main page, look for the Profile button, usually located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Clicking this will take you directly to your personal TikTok profile page, where all your magic happens. In your profile, you'll notice an Edit Profile button. Hit that button and you'll be taken to a page where you can start making your desired changes. This is where you can infuse new life into your TikTok business profile. First, take a look at your username. Your username is crucial as it's how people find you on TikTok. If you've rebranded or just want a name more aligned with your business, this is the time to update it. Simply tap on the username field and type in your new desired username. Next, scrutinize the name section. This might be the name of your brand or business. Again, if you're rebranding or changing your business name for any reason, update this field accordingly. After you've nailed down your new username and name, it's time to breathe new life into your bio. Your bio is a brief but powerful area where you can convey your business's essence, promote your tagline, or just tell the world what you're all about. Editing your bio to reflect your current standing or vision can be a game changer for how you're perceived on the platform. With all your desired changes made, the final step is to save these updates. Look for the Save button, usually located at the top right or bottom of the screen, depending on your device. Clicking on Save will apply all your changes, giving your TikTok business profile a fresh, updated look. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated through the steps to change your TikTok business information. Remember, keeping your TikTok profile updated is key to maintaining a strong, relevant presence on the platform. Don't hesitate to come back and tweak your profile as your business grows or changes direction. Your TikTok profile is the gateway to showcasing your brand to the world, so make it count. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope it has been helpful in keeping your TikTok business profile sharp and up to date. Happy TikToking, and here's to the success of your business on one of the most dynamic platforms out there.